After the big crash yesterday, the crypto market is rising again to the upside. Bitcoin went up by over 13%. Some altcoins are up over 30 or 40%. And we have some very interesting liquidation clusters in the heat map. But will Bitcoin and the crypto market continue to go to even higher prices? Or do we see a big crash again under $50,000? In this video, I will talk about Bitcoin and the crypto market, and I will share the most likely scenario and my next potential entry zones. So after the big crash yesterday, the altcoins and the crypto market is pumping again to the upside, and also Bitcoin respected this last high and this order block right here. And we also saw this daily close over this level, so this is a really bullish sign. And I got a lot of messages from you guys that you lost a lot of money, because many people sold their Bitcoin in this price area. And if we have crashes at the financial markets, most of the people are losing their money, but there are also some winners of this situation. Because yesterday I posted in my free Telegram group that I will search for an entry in this order block between $53,000 and $50,000. And in my premium signal group, I shared multiple spot buys. For example, Bitcoin for $50,100 and Ethereum for $2,222. And from these prices, Bitcoin went up by over 10% and also Ethereum went up by over 10%. So while the most people are getting very emotionally and taking very bad decisions and losing a lot of money because they are selling their altcoins and Bitcoin in this area and also take some leverage positions which got wiped out of the market very quickly. And other people take this chance and get an entry position and don't take too much leverage positions in these volatility areas. And that's why I'm sharing my spot buys and my leverage trades, because I have the knowledge and the experience for years as a trader. And while most people lost a lot of money yesterday, I made big profits. And that's why I have decided to make a signal group offer, because normally the signal group costs $85 plus the VAT. So these are nearly $700 plus the VAT. And now I made a yearly subscription for just $477. And I made a lifetime access for just $577. So if you're taking lifetime, you can join my Telegram group and stay there for your life. And if you have some questions or if you want to have the offer, then just write me a message at my Telegram or at my email. So as I said, I bought Bitcoin for 50K yesterday, and these are of course long-term spot positions, because now we have a lot of volatility and the chances also there that we could see even lower prices again. But in the near future, I think the chances high that we could see higher prices, because as I said, we respected this last order block, saw this very bullish price action, got a lot of liquidations out of the market, and we have a big CME gap right now at $62,000 right here, and the chances always high that we are filling the CME gaps. And if we have a look at the liquidation heat map, we have a big cluster at $61,500, and if we are using the Fibonacci tool for this last swing from 70K to 49,000, we have the 61.8 Fibonacci right here at 62,000 again. So on the one hand, we have the CME gap, we have liquidation cluster and this Fibonacci retracement. So I think the chances high that we could see a move into this region in the near future. Of course, it's not that we are going there directly in one candle. I think the chances high that we could retest this last order block and maybe take the liquidity which was resting under this lows and of course under this zone. So if we are coming back into this zone in the region of about $52,500, and if we are seeing bullish price action right here, then I think the chances high that we could see even higher prices. And of course, this would be another chance for me to get into more spot positions, or as I said, a leverage trade with adapted risk management. If we are breaking this zone to the downside, then I think the chances high that we are sweeping this whole last lows again, because most people who got into this market right here put their stop loss under this last low. So the chance that we have some liquidity under $49,000 is very high. So if we're breaking this one to the downside, I think the chances high that we could see even lower prices. But as long as we are holding this order block or seeing bullish price action, I think the chances high that we could see the bullish move to $62,000 as next price target. And if we're breaking this last low with strong bullish momentum, then I think the next very interesting zone is $44,000. But as I said, we first have to break this one. First, I think the chance is higher that we could see a bullish move. And of course, it's now very important how the Fed will react in September, because most people think that the Fed will decrease by 50 points and most of the people think that we will decrease it even more in November or December. So of course this next Fed meeting at the 18th of September is very interesting and decisive for the near future. and this times it's very important to stay rational, to don't get emotionally, just sell dumply your coins, and that you are searching for very interesting buying opportunities, and if we see even lower prices, that you then search for very smart buying opportunities. And again, if you want to take advantage of the Signal Group offer, then write me a message at Telegram or at my email. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.